Hello, let us try and discuss about how one can enter into this field of data analytics right from scratch. Meaning, if you have never ever worked into this field of data analytics, then how can you enter into this field of data analytics is what you need to think about. So what is data analytics? Fundamentally, data analytics is analyzing the data, meaning the data which is gathered into various systems. You should be able to analyze those and come out with some meaningful information so that decisions can be taken. So now, talking about getting into this field of analytics, typically you need not think that this is something a fresher, somebody who is just graduated from the college would be able to enter this field from scratch. No, anybody can enter into this field of analytics. So there are freshers who enter this field of analytics. There are experienced techno-functional people who enter this field of analytics. So there are college students who aspire to get into these fields by one of these two paths. So typically there are college going students who wish to get into this field of analytics because they have a passion to help the management, or there are computer programmers, people who are good at writing piece of codes. They could actually write analytical piece of codes so that certain patterns can be found and hence decisions can be taken. So there are these two tracks for college going students. You can choose as a techno-functional consultant to understand the entire roadmap how you can get into this field, or also use your programming skills and then hence come into this field of data science, data analytics. While experienced person has a vast amount of experience about his field or the entire process how the industry works, so such people can laterally get into this field of analytics, learn the entire data analytics roadmap, and then typically if you see a organization is like a pyramid. There is an operational layer at the bottom, there is a tactical layer in this pyramid, and at the top there is a strategic layer. Now any person who is already working into this industry but not contributed into the data analytics path can jump into this path at any level into this organization. So you can enter this field because you have questions about what exactly pattern you need to identify. What is the exact business question you can answer which is data driven in nature. So you can come into this field of data analytics from scratch at a strategic layer or at an operational layer where you can exactly analyze the data, meaning also identify which data can be analyzed, or if you are somewhere in between in a tactical layer, you can either help the management take better decisions or help the operational layer gather the data which can be actually used towards decision making. So friends, lot of areas where you can enter into this field, and this field is such a booming field. It is welcoming everyone into this field. So it is not about working only harder, it is about working smarter as well. So welcome to this field, and we are there to take into this field of data analytics.